Today, I want to talk about how numbers tell the story of your business. In business, numbers are more than just figures. They tell an intricate story of your company's journey, its health, and its potential. Understanding and interpreting these financial metrics is critical for steering your business towards sustained success. There's always a narrative story behind your financial metrics. Profitability ratios like our net profit margin, our return on assets, these reveal how efficiently our business generates profit relative to its revenue and its assets. Liquidity ratios, including the current ratio and the quick ratio, these assess your company's ability to meet short-term obligations, and they reflect financial stability. Our solvency ratios, like our debt-to-equity ratio, these provide insights into our business's long-term sustainability by evaluating the health of our debt. When we look at cash flow, I think of cash flow as the lifeblood of your business. And so operating cash flow, this tells us how much cash is generated from the core business operations. It means how viable the business model is. When we get to cash flow forecasting, this helps us anticipate future financial positions and tells a story that allows us to make proactive decision making. Then there's some efficiency ratios that help us gauge operational performance. In a retail business, the inventory turnover reflects how effectively inventory is managed by showing how often it's sold and replaced over a period. In a service-based business, its receivables turnover indicates how efficiently your company is collecting its debt and impacting cash flow. Then there's benchmarking, which is always important. This is when we assess our financial metrics against industry standards. It helps us identify strengths and areas for improvement. We can also benchmark your business against its historical performance, and this allows us to uncover trends that help us figure out our strategic plans moving forward. Consider a client that identified declining profit margins through our financial analysis. We helped them implement some cost control measures. They achieved a successful turnaround to profitability. In another instance, we helped a client analyze their cash flow statements and recognize the need for additional financing to support expansion plans, which helped them ensure sustainable growth. You see, your financial metrics are not just numbers. They're the narrative of your business's past, present, and future. Regularly monitoring and interpreting these metrics, it gives you power to make informed decisions and steer your business towards long-term success.